So we're shooting this video so we can show you what happens when these cameras come back. Cables are broken, cables are not wound right. Take a look and we're going to show you right here of what one looked like when it came back. Number one, you don't want this camera head right here being put away with the camera. That's the most important thing to know. It's always important to take this camera head off. Whenever you're done using it, it screws right off. Make sure the gasket stays on. There's a little O-ring on there. Make sure that stays on when you put this thing away. But the most important thing to know is there's a little metal clip. The metal clip sits right back behind here, and this cable rides in the metal clip, just like that. Once it's in the metal clip and you take the brake off of your unit, it's very simple to take the cable out, and it's very simple to roll it right back in. Whenever you're done rolling it back or getting to a point where you want to set the camera down, lock the brake. You can set the camera down. It's not going to want to recoil. If you don't use this hook in the back, you're going to have problems. You're going to break cables. You're not going to be able to get them on right, which won't allow you to roll it in and roll it out with ease, like I'm going to show you how we do right here. Remember, we're in the hook, so you always have to have control over your cable. Once you want to pull it out, you can pull it out all you want. You want to push it back in, you can push it back in all you want. When you get to where you want, lock the brake and you're good.